Greetings, everyone. I want to talk to you about the grid we see, all these dots behind Act. So there's a function here, or a feature that as you start playing with Act and as you start modifying layouts and try to move things around by clicking on them and dragging them and getting things aligned, what you'll find is this is one of the harder things to do in Act, because if one thing is slightly off, do you align everything else, or do you align this one to get it in line with this, and then this one and this one? And this to me is the most time consuming part of Act as far as dealing with the layout. So there's an option here in Act. When I go up to Format, there's an area called Grid. And first of all, we can turn off the grid so you don't see the dots by unchecking this. But the Snap to Grid is an area where it's sort of hard to describe. You sort of have to use it and feel it to understand the impact it has. But what it's trying to do is take these fields as I move them around and snap them into place with the dots on the screen. And sometimes when I'm trying to get things aligned, I can find that to be awkward to work with. So I quite often, most of the times, I'll click on Snap to Grid to take it off. And now things just flow a little bit nicer. They're not as herky-jerky and trying to get things aligned. So turning off this Snap to Grid is something that I use all the time, just when I'm trying to move things around. And that's just a little feature you might find helpful. So turn it on or off, let it work with the way you work. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day. Bye now.